how do you want to deal with China?
The dependency is both-sided.
But we're more dependent on exports than they are.
In many cases, yes, but in the debate inside the Communist Party of China, we have two groups. One group wants us to deglobalize. The other say this will lead to a less of wealth, and that means they will lose acceptance and legitimacy. And they now have strong arguments on their side. China presented the lowest growth rates in the last 30 years, and they won't reach it. They failed, mainly for reasons that is based on their corona pandemic management. So, to be very clear, we are in a situation that the German car industry is not able to substitute one by one the market in China. China is interesting as a market, not as a production working bench. But other parts of our industry are looking for alternatives. I know a lot of medium and small-sized companies located in China that look for alternatives. For them, it's no longer the question whether they will diversify from China, but at what time they will do so. So, I think we have to be clear with China. If you want to get to our market, you have to do it in a reciprocity move like that. That means for industry products, that means also for trade, the same rules like here and there. And that is the simple or the stronger political approach. And my impression is that China is very well aware of that situation.
On the other hand, we have the challenges with Russia, and the dependency there is more one-sided than it is with China. We have strong sanctions on Russia at the moment, and the German industry and the European industries are suffering harshly. What price are you willing to pay in order to cut Russia off the money flow?
I'm convinced that we will cut the import of fossil energy from there.
Well, they cut it in.
And as a reaction of our decision, Putin decided to do it from his side to help for the rest of the time the level of prices. For sure, I would have reacted the same way.
Okay.
But what is happening now is step by step. The prices also in Germany have interesting effects. We talked about not too much to shower. This will not help.
What will help?
Yeah, what helps is a high price. We have now a strong stimulus in the industry and also in the private households by the high prices to reduce the consumption. So both things run in parallel. The increase of renewable energy, the building up a hydrogen economy like in the agreement with Canada we did, and at the same time, especially in the industry, we have energy saving and strengthening energy efficiency caused by high prices. So bitter high prices for us, in many cases, also as a person, it has an economic effect of strengthening the decoupling from Russia.
I want to shortly come back to another quote of you. We have to bring back